Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to install FMC on ESXi. I will share the download link on the description. Look for the VMware install package and then download it. You need to accept the license agreement. Once the download has been completed, we will proceed to extract the files. In this installation we will use the ESXi OVA and the disk. Now let's open our VMware ESXi. Click on Virtual Machines, then click on Create or Register Virtual Machine and choose the second option. Then select the file that I mentioned before. And configure a virtual machine name. Click on Next. In this section you will be able to choose the hard disk that your virtual machine will have. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement and click on Next again. Select Seek Provisioning. And then click on Finish. Alright, at this point the installation will start. We should hold on some minutes. Now the installation of the virtual machine is completed. We will open the console in order to continue the FMC installation. After the database installation, we will configure the network settings, but first enter the admin user and the password as admin123. Now enter a new password and then confirm it. Now enter the host name, then configure the management IP address. And configure the net mask. Then configure the gateway. Then configure your DNS server. Then configure the NTP server. And finally confirm your settings. Now let's open a browser, and then we will enter our credentials. We could skip the installation of the licenses. Alright, the FMC installation has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.